Welcome to a journey across the United States of America. This huge and diverse country has a fascinating history of growth and expansion. Our journey begins with the 13 colonies located along the Atlantic coast. These colonies, each with its own unique identity and aspirations, united in their pursuit of independence. Today, we'll learn how these 13 colonies transformed into the 50 states that make up the modern United States. Get ready for amazing stories about the conquest of the Wild West, groundbreaking discoveries, and the unwavering spirit of Americans. Our story begins in the year 1776. 13 colonies, tired of British rule, declared independence. This bold step led to the War of Independence. The colonists fought bravely for their freedom. Victory was hard won, but it finally came. On July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed. This document proclaimed the birth of a new nation, the United States of America. The 13 colonies, now free states, united under a new government. These were Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, and Rhode Island. These 13 states formed the foundation upon which this nation was built. After winning independence, the young nation turned its gaze westward. The Louisiana Purchase in 1803 doubled the size of the United States. This vast territory bought from France opened the way to the Mississippi River and ignited dreams of exploration and new opportunities. Pioneers packed their covered wagons and set off on the Oregon Trail. They endured the hardships of the journey and unknown dangers, seeking a better life. The spirit of adventure and the magic of the frontier became permanently etched into the American identity. Belief in manifest destiny pushed Americans westward. They were convinced that it was their right and duty to take control of the entire continent. Texas, formerly part of Mexico, became a state in 1845. The discovery of gold in California in 1848 triggered a gold rush. This led to California being granted statehood in 1850. Through treaties, wars, and annexations, the United States stretched its borders from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Diverse territories and peoples were incorporated within the nation's borders, shaping the cultural and geographical landscape of this vast and diverse country as it is today. The last stars on the flag: Alaska and Hawaii. In 1867, the United States purchased Alaska from Russia. Many people at the time didn't see the value in this icy land. It was called Seward's Icebox, after the Secretary of State who negotiated the purchase. However, Alaska proved to be a treasure trove of natural resources and a strategic point on the world map. It became the 49th state in 1959. Hawaii, an archipelago of islands in the Pacific, was annexed in 1898. Its strategic location and sugarcane plantations made it a valuable acquisition for the United States. Hawaii joined the Union as the 50th state in 1959, bringing its unique Polynesian culture to the American melting pot. 50, and what's next? The question of new states. For over half a century, the United States has had 50 states. But is this number final? Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory since 1898, has voted multiple times on whether to become a state. Washington, D.C., the nation's capital, is also seeking statehood. The question of new states is a source of much political and social controversy. It sparks discussions about political representation, national identity, and the future of the country. The American flag with its stars and stripes is a reflection of the nation's history. Each star symbolizes a state, and the stripes represent the 13 original colonies. As new states joined, the flag changed. The current flag with 50 stars has been used since 1960. The evolution of the flag symbolizes the dynamic history of the U.S. and its ability to adapt and change, while maintaining unity under one banner. From the Atlantic to the Pacific, the United States boasts an incredible diversity of landscapes. Majestic mountains, vast deserts, fertile plains, and bustling metropolises create a mosaic of natural beauty and human activity. Equally impressive is the cultural diversity of the United States. People from all over the world have contributed to this vibrant mix of traditions, languages, and beliefs. This rich cultural heritage is a testament to the history of immigration and the constant evolution of the nation. The history of the United States, from 13 colonies to 50 states, is a story of growth, transformation, and resilience. It's a story about the pursuit of freedom, the desire for a better life, and the constant effort to build a more perfect union. What does America mean to you? Share your thoughts and reflections on this dynamic country. Let's continue the discussion and explore the multifaceted identity of the United States together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos. Click the bell to stay updated. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.